We're gonna check oil since it's been running. You guys know we have an oil cooler now, so it's holding a lot more oil. It's got the oversized pan and it's got the oil cooler now, so oil's got to fill the lines and the entire core. I'm gonna push this out, clean the oil up quick, like literally like not even going on the main road, like quick, just like neighborhood gate and back drive. Give it like a couple hours and just check under again to see if anything's leaking. The turbo's got some smoke coming from it. That's leaking too, which isn't a big deal because I know that's not like, you know, broken or anything, but it's got a slow leak, you can see. You guys remember back when I took out my sunroof and I had tape over it? But I did say I wanted to get like a clear like Lexan sheet and make like a clear, you know, Lexan sunroof. I didn't end up doing that, but we got some goodies from LRB Speed, and this is that panel, that aluminum panel that basically gets riveted down, and it's basically like a sunroof delete. You know, I don't have a problem with the front tires because, you know, I'm not rubbing or anything because I have the tubs cut out, but the backs 10.5 for me is just too wide, and I really did want to go 9.5. So I purchased a pair of carbon design wheels, which are those wheels that you guys see like all the drifters have, like clutch kickers running. This is my first time seeing the wheels too, so we're all seeing these at the same exact time. It's not like I've seen these already in person. It's my first time opening it. They look nice, man. They look good. They almost match the RPF ones. RPF ones are a little more shiny, but these look good. These are kind of like a variation of like Graham-Light 57DRs, which are the wheels I like want super bad. They're just expensive and no one's reselling right now, so. I know. I could jack the car up and I can actually, you know, tighten them on there without the wheel, but I don't feel like doing that. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna post that one. Boom. Yeah, it's supposed to like warp a little bit to kind of like fit the curve of the roof. Stop. Stiffen up the suspension because it's bucking a lot right now. So wait, it's already stiff? No way. See, I don't know why it's bucking so much that it's already stiff. Oh, we do need to get a little bit more gas. We'll go to the gas station. Hey, why not? So everything's packed up. We're about to go and swap these tires onto the carbon design wheels, and we'll have a square setup. Like, we'll have a single staggered setup. We'll come back, put them on the car, finally get to see what they look like. I think I might raise the back like 1 inch. It just depends. All right, pulling up right now. About to get these tires put on, head back to the crib. Doesn't seem, oh, it's not too busy, so we're straight. Gotta find parking now. These are what the wheels look like. I'm gonna show you guys real fast with the tires on. No more stretch because obviously we're down an inch now. Right, so after yesterday's fast little drive, I noticed that it's gonna be sitting too low once it really settles. I barely driven it and it's already, you know, looking like it's sitting a little too low. So initially I did raise the back 1/2 inch, and I was gonna go 1 inch, but I thought it was too much, and now I can see that it's not too much. So we're gonna do 1/2 inch raise on both sides before we put on these carbine sprints. We're at 5.5, so that got raised 1/2 inch. Now we just gotta match the other side. We definitely need an alignment after this. I honestly might jack it up and put spacers on right now. All right, so to be honest, I'm a little disappointed in the way the wheels came out. Only thing right now is since there's multiple lug patterns, I can't put the spacers that I currently have on there because it doesn't fit. So I would have to, you know, go online and get a spacer that converts from 114 to whatever the second lug pattern on that wheel is. We also have to get new lugs if we do it that way because the holes are smaller and it doesn't fit the lugs that I have, well, any of the lugs that I have now.